Okay, so here's a breakdown on how I did the Superman takeoff effect thing. So first I filmed a shot of my dad jumping in the air and then walking at a frame. I jumped into my compositing software of choice, which is After Effects. And then I stacked the layers on top of each other. So the clean plate that I shot was on the bottom where my dad was not in frame, and then the shot of him jumping in the air was on top. I then began rotoscoping frame by frame, making sure to be as detailed as possible. Next I set a keyframe per position and animated him off screen to give the illusion that he was taking off. I also grabbed some assets from Action Essentials 2. I chose to composite a ground crack element and a couple of dust elements just to really help sell the effect that it's really affecting the environment when he takes off. Keep in mind that if you were like me and didn't shoot on a tripod, you're gonna need to 3D track your camera. I finally did a quick color grade, added a couple sound effects, and got this pretty cool result.